Hey guys, welcome to Tim the Toolman of Home Improvement. Today we're doing a ceiling where we're making it smooth that we had cottage cheese on it before, or an acoustic spray. So I kind of want to go through some things with you. You probably have seen these videos all over the place and they could be repetitious, but there's a couple little techniques that I've been using that actually been working really well. So I just want to give you a shot at this right here. So this was a ceiling original that we started with, all right? Then we put the first coat on. You'll never be able to get away with just one coat with a ceiling that's this rough. It just won't work. You'll be spending more time sanding than if it's worth it just to do the second coat and make it smooth. So if you can see here on the first coat, there is some areas where it just need to be sanded, smooth and stuff like that. And then now we're getting into the second coat. This is the second coat. You can see how much smoother it is. This just needs to be a light sanded and it's ready to be painted. So one of the things that we're using is we're using a knife, 14-inch tape knife. This knife here does wonders. It's really good. You can get it at your local hardware store. The other thing I want you to remember too is that we're using an all-purpose joint compound. But coming out of the box, it's way too thick to do what you want to do when you're skim coating a ceiling to try to make it look as smooth as you want it. So what you want to do is you want to take some, you can put it in a tray, a drywall tray like this, add some water, and then basically I'm just getting the water mixed in here as much as I can. A lot of the videos will tell you to do the drill and put the water in the bucket. You can do that as well. I felt that I didn't need to do that whole thing because I'm doing a little at a time as I keep going, so it makes it so that it's easier for me, so I don't use the whole bucket. But basically what I want to do is I want to make it look like a real smooth cream, so it's easier to be put on. So now you see how it is here. It's like a cream versus when it comes out of the box or the bucket. You can see how much thicker it is. All right. This will also save you money in the long run because you'll be able to thin it out to be able to use it. And then I can show you, we're doing the hallway, and then this is one of the rooms that's already done. Now that room was just like that other room, so this room is done. And so I just wanted to put it out there, a couple of the techniques. Now, one of the things that I've noticed too, to keep from losing a lot of the mud in the up above when you're using it, when you take some mud out of the tray, it'll squirt on the sides. Basically, on the sides here, as you're pushing, it'll come out here and it'll come out there and drop on the ground. To eliminate that, all you do is you just cut the edges just like that, and when you do that, it doesn't drop on the floor and you don't lose any mud. You basically save yourself. The other trick is always, every time you do your swipes, you want to make sure that you're absolutely clean again when you start up your next pass, because if you start to get some that's dried on there, it makes bumps and it's a little harder to sand later on. All right, so I just wanted to give you kind of a little tutorial on what we're doing here. We've got some really cool stuff going on. I'm going to be doing a bathroom remodel here where we're going to be using a sink, undermount sink like this. We are also going to put on this drywall here, we're going to put a stucco inside it's like a thinner stucco for walls, for showers and things of that nature, so that we can put it in this area here. And then we're doing a concrete bottom. So stay tuned. I've got a lot of great things coming up and a lot of things to show you guys that are real new techniques to beautify your home. Okay? Thanks. Have a great day.